Hey, fellow lion friends, Carl the Lion here, ready to do some sweet math with you all. Rawr. Just kidding. But, real here, we're going to talk about maths and lions today. Math and lions. Oh, what better can you get? We're going to talk all about my hunting experience as the lion. All right, so today we're doing 5.4. We're going to do factors and multiples. Multiples is a new thing. It's a new word, so beware. Okay? All right. Our I can statement is I can find both factors and multiples. All right. Let's give it a try. So here is our question of the day. Me, Carl the Lion, like to hunt every 3 days in a month. So every 3 days I hunt. 3 days and then I hunt again. 3 days and then I hunt again. My friend Leo the Lion likes to hunt every 5 days. So 5 days and he hunts. 5 days and then he hunts. Which days do we hunt together? All right, so let's figure this out. So to figure out a problem like this, you need to do something that's called the common multiples. So what is multiple? Multiple is the, if you multiply a number, it's all the multiples of that number. So I just want you to remember that multiple equals multiply. Like factors equals facts. It's the facts that make up the numbers. Multiple is a multiply. So for example, if I was finding the multiples of the number 5, the multiples of 5 would be 5 times. So 5 times 1 is 5. The next multiple of 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 25, 30, 35, and so on. Here are the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 multiples of the number 5. So when you hear the word multiples, that means multiply. And when you hear the word factors, that means that's the facts that make up the number. The factors of 5 would be 1 and 5. But the multiples of 5 would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, so forth. Okay? So, now, I go hunting every 3 days. And my friend Leo goes every 5 days. Okay? So we're not finding our common facts, we're finding our common multiples. We want to know on what days of the month are we going to be hunting together. So we know a month has about 30 days. So we're going to go out to the number 30. So for 3, my first multiple is 3 times 1. Then my next one would be 3 times 2, which is 6. 3 times 3, which is 9, 3 times 4, which is 12, and then we start counting all the way till we get to 30. Then 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. All right, cool. So these are all the days of the month I would go hunting. I'd hunt on the 3rd, on the 6th, the 9th, the 18th, the 30th. So those are when I like to hunt. But my friend Leo likes to hunt every 5th day. So let's see what days of the month he's going to be hunting on. So he's going to hunt on that first 5th. So 1 times 5. You always have to start with the 1. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. And then we count 20. We've got to get all the way to 30 because that's how many days are in a month. 25, 30. All right. Now we have to find the common multiple, the day that we are going to be hunting together. So on what days are we going to be hunting together? Well, not 3, 6, no, 9, 12, nope, 15. 15th. On the 15th day, we're going to hunt together. Is there any other day that we hunt together? Also, the 30th day, we're going to hunt together. So our schedules are very different, but on the 15th of the month and the 13th of the month, me and Leo will get to hunt together. So common multiple is like factors. Now you're trying to find the ones they have in common, but multiple means to multiply the number out, and factors are the factors that make it up. It's super important that we remember which is which. All right, let's do another problem. All right, this one's going to be nice and simple. I'm just going to have us list the multiples of the number 4, okay? I want us to list the next 6 multiples of the number 4. All right, let's do it. You always start with 4 times 1, which is 4. Then 4 times 2, 8. then 4 times 3, 12, 16, 20, 24. All right, so if I asked you to list the first, I don't know, this one was 6 multiples of a number, you just take that number and you multiply it 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 3. All right, very cool. That's a multiple. If I asked you to find the factors of 4, that would be different, right? The factors of 4 are the facts that make up 4. So 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. So the factors of 4 would be 1, 2, and 4. You can't get them mixed up. They get mixed up a lot. All right. All right, let's try another one. Example number 2. I want you to tell me, is the number a factor of 6? Is it a factor, a fact that makes it up? Okay, we have 3, 6, 16, and 18. Okay, is it a fact that makes it up? So, what facts make up 6? We have 1 times 6, 2 times 3. That's it. So, is 3 a fact that makes up 6? Yeah. Yes, it is. Because 3 times 2. Is 6 a fact that makes up 6? Yeah, 1 times 6. Is 16 a fact of 6? No, it's bigger than 6. That can't possibly make up 6. Is 18 a factor of 6? No, because it's bigger. So you see how these are the facts that make up 6. But what if I took this and said, is the number a multiple of 6? Well, that would be me listing 6. So 6 times 1, 6, 12, 18, 20. All right. Is 3 a multiple? No. But is 6 a multiple? Yeah. So 6 is both a multiple and a factor. Is 16 a multiple? No. Is 18? Yeah. So you got to be really careful to see if it's asking you for a multiple, multiply, or factor, the facts that make it up. All right, here's your first pause problem. I want you to give it a try. All right, pause problem numero uno. All right, I want you to list the first 6 multiples of 8. Okay, pause it and list the first 8 multiples of 8. Multiples multiply. I'm going to keep going. Key here, you always have to start with 8 times 1. So the first one always has to be 8. Then 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times, I'm spacing. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. And 8 times 6 is 48. Okay? So we have 18, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. Woo! All right. Okay. All right, here's your pause problem number 2. I want you to find me both the factors and first 5 multiples of 12. So I want the factors and the multiples. Pause it. Give it a try. All right, I'm going to keep going. I'm going to start with factors. These are the facts that make up 12. I'm going to do my little factor tree. All right, I know on factors, I have to list facts. So 1 times 12, 2 times what gives me 12? 6, 3 times 4. The next one would be 4, but it's already there. So these would be, I'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. These would be my factors, okay? And then if it wants the multiples of 12, and it wants the first 5, I'd give it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's find the first 5 multiples, okay? So of 12, I know 12 times 1, 12 times 2 is 24, 12 times 3 is 36, 12 times 4 is 48, and 12 times 5 is 60. So we did the multiples and the factors. All right. Good luck on your assignment today. If you need me, you know where to find me. Have a fabulous day. Bye, friends.